guided daily meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, or keep them open with a soft gaze if you prefer. Now, inhale deeply, and with each exhale, allow your body to relax further. Scan your body for areas of tightness, breathe into them, and allow tension to dissolve on each exhale. Bring your full attention to the sensations of breathing. Feel your belly rise with each inhale and fall with each exhale. Keep your focus here. When thoughts arise, which they inevitably will, picture them as bubbles rising and popping in a gentle stream. Don't latch on. Just let them pass by. Keep returning to your breath. Set a clear intention for your day. How do you want to feel? What do you want to accomplish or let go of? Visualize this day unfolding with grace. See yourself moving through your to-do list with focus, energy, and presence. Picture responding skillfully when challenges arise. Repeat a positive mantra about today, such as, "I am grounded, productive, and at peace." Feel your mindset aligning. Make time to return to mindful breathing whenever you feel stressed or distracted. It will center and anchor you in the moment. End with a few more slow, deep breaths, feeling grateful for a new day. Gently open your eyes, ready to meet it with mindfulness. Make this daily practice a ritual to start your mornings grounded and intentional. Even 5 minutes can set the tone for your whole day.